Yeah, good morning.
Morning.
I hope you all see the screen as well.
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll be discussing about
Google Ads.
yeah performance marketing or maybe the necessity of see so far we have discussed about the organic correct that too with regard to the search engines right right. So we are going to learn one beautiful tool using which you can show your business like this on Google. Maybe yeah. See this is an ad. This is an ad. So using the tool or platform to run ads, various kinds of ads. So for example, another example, why these ads are showing to me. Recently I searched for a flight ticket and hence it is showing to me. You understand how beautiful it is? So if you're searching for something, the next moment you will start seeing ads related to it.
Getting those ads.
Sorry?
I said getting those ads.
Yeah, yeah. So you all are going to learn how is that possible, how to implement it. Yeah. So now you have so this tool which we are going to see in skip ads on YouTube, right? Video ads, those kinds of ads,
Correct.
correct? And also, if you have observed on your Gmail, there will be a section called promotions.
Hmm.
Have you seen ads on your Gmail?
Yes.
I'll show it to you. Some of you might have not seen it.
Even sponsored it will be there, sir, sometimes.
Yes, not yeah.
Sponsored it will be written sometimes.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Yeah, these are all ads. You see PMI, Project Management Institute, and Edureka PMP certification training program. See, these two are ads. Yeah. So this is an ad, and also this is also an ad. Yeah. So now, which are the different types of ad? This ad is called as search ad. Search ad, and this is called as email ad. And the ads that you skip on YouTube are called as video ads, right? Huh? YouTube. In YouTube, you will see skip ads, right? Those ads are called as video ads, and you're going to execute all of this from the same platform, right? There's one platform or tool which we are going to learn. You're going to execute all of these ads from the same platform of the tool, right? And now these ads as well. These are called as Google Shopping ads. These are called as Google Shopping ads. This is a search ad. This is the Google Shopping ad. Or yeah, these are all Google Shopping ads. All these are ads, sponsored, and these are all free results. Okay, so we are going to learn running these kinds of ads. So, what is the necessity of running these kinds of ads? When you are already ranking on Google or the maps, or maybe here, what is the necessity or importance of running the ads like this? Why should you be running Google Ads?
To be visibility on each on pages, so that makes more business.
To increase sale of our business.
Yes. See, you all see that the first thing is the ads. Ads are not shown in the last. So despite you ranking here and here, still you might lose some of your business to competitors if you're not available here in the paid slots. Correct? If you are in HSR, you will do business in HSR. If you are in BTM, you will do business in BTM. If you are in Banshankari, you will do business in Banshankari. Correct? If you are in Bangalore, you will do business in Bangalore. If you are located in Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, everywhere, you will do business everywhere. Correct? So if you think, okay, I am already there in Bangalore, let's not, okay, that's fine. You will get only that much of business. Right? So at many times here, it's not just about that. So this Google Ads will take up 40 to 60% of the business. The slots will give 40 to 60% of the business who are bidding here. So straight away you are eliminating at least 50% of the traction by not being available on Google Ads. You must be ranking on Google organically in the top, but that's not enough. You have to spend, you have to run ads. That's when you will get some business. Right? So you will be ranking here as well. That will get some business for you, but that's not enough. You'll have to invest more. You'll have to get, in order to get more leads or sales happening for your business, right? So regardless of that, so what happens is showing the website on Google organically takes a lot of time, right? So if you are waiting for it, you might not survive in the industry, right? Your salespeople is sitting idle, your business teams are sitting idle, everybody is sitting idle. From day one, you need leads, correct? Otherwise, what will people do? There's no point of you having a big infrastructure and handling everything if you don't have leads generated, correct? And meanwhile, you cannot wait these listings to show up on the Google. This might take 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year to show up on the Google organically in the top. If you keep waiting forever like that, you will die, right? So there is a necessity to start generating leads from day one of your business. And in those cases, you will be relying or using this channel for lead generation. Are you all following me, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. And now, so when you bid here, so when you are getting into the new markets, let's say you are an Indian company and you want to do business in Australia, Singapore, or Malaysia, or USA, and for that you might have to put a physical location as well. But even before that, you can test the region of the markets, how it is. So by running Google Ads, you will understand the market response, the response for the product, the market potential, everything. So if you think it's not great, you can stop investing on your website or maybe various kinds of infrastructure or other kinds of investments. If you think there is no market in those regions, you can probably take wise calls or decisions, right? So it helps you in the market assessment as well, response for your product or service as well in various geographies, various countries or locations or cities, whatsoever it is. Correct? So from this, when you're running ads like this, you'll also understand who all are bidding, competitors, your competitors, who all are running ads. Many times you may not see like this, it's showing only 3 here. But when you run ads, you see lot many players in the competitors list on the platform. Right? So there are different advantages when you run ads here. Correct? The purpose is to be available to get a good visibility, correct? And to not give up this slot. I mean, like not to. You have to participate. If you're not participating, you will lose the business to some of your competitors, right? Advantages from day one, you will start generating leads and you will get market insights. You will get to know the competition, correct? It helps in the branding as well.
This is Canada digital page. It's only digital.
I didn't get you.
Digital marketing agency, which agency?
Huh. Where is Canada Distributor? It's not there.
I'm asking.
Related.
digital marketing is other companies' details or
This all are other companies' details, right? I didn't get your question.
uh, it is showing digital marketing one. So that page is belongs to contradiction.
No. So this is not ours. This is some
That
other
is
company.
digital marketing kit global.in.
Yeah, this is not ours. Digital marketing kit global.in. So when I click like this, so Google is going to charge click kit global some money. How much it is? So whomsoever are paying highest, they'll be more to the top. Unlock your business potential with an effective digital marketing strategy.
So that auction is visible to the person who is doing it.
Auction won't be visible, but they will have an option to bid on the keyword to increase the CPC and improve the position.
Okay.
Okay. So now whether I make any decision with this company or not, regardless of all of this, now Google has charged this company. Now I'll close like this. Okay. So to get started with Google Ads, there are certain things which we have to understand. Is this a push marketing or pull marketing?
Good marketing.
Everybody, Mr. Madhu told it's a pull marketing, and you,
It's
Amulya,
push.
is it a push marketing or pull marketing? So yeah, you said push marketing. Anybody else? So Rajni is correct. It's a push marketing. Can anybody explain what is push marketing?
We are already in need of it and we went there to get.
Like salesman.
Like you explained the coffee while I said it's a supermarket.
Yeah. So being available for people who are desperately looking for your product or service is a push marketing.
Ah, right.
Correct.
Correct. We are requiring digital marketing. That's why we made that word on search engine.
So people are looking for you desperately and you have to be available for them. Somebody who puts a supermarket in this residential area have done a thorough research that there are no supermarkets. There is a need or necessity for people. People would come to you, and hence they are investing and they are building the supermarkets. Correct. So same way we all know that a lot of people are searching on Google, and hence we are making presence on Google. Simply being available for people who are desperately looking for the product or services. Push marketing. Pull. You are not there in the class. Okay. So pull marketing is regardless of the need or necessity of the end user,
You're
you as
creating
a
awareness.
business will start bugging them. Sir, do you want to buy this pen? Do you want to buy this pen? Or you will. I took an example, right? People come to the doors, knock the door, and they'll ask, Madam, do you want to buy this vacuum cleaner? Do you want to buy this Surf Excel powder? Right? You are very deeply involved in the serial, watching the serial, and they are knocking the door and they are disturbing you, and they'll ask, Madam, do you want to buy this? You will scold them and send. So, what are they doing here? They are making an assumption that these
Premium.
people might make a purchase, might show interest in the product or service, and their goal is also reach out to everybody, regardless of their need or necessity. Regardless of the need or necessity, they are reaching out to everybody and telling, asking, do you want to buy this? They are educating about the product or service and trying to pull in the customer. They might be successful in it or may not. They may get a sale or may not. But these kinds of activities are more suitable for building visibility. You cannot expect sale always. If the sale is happening, that's a add-on advantage of the effort, right? So, for example, you are scrolling on Facebook and Instagram, you will see some ads. Will you buy? But their goal is just to build a visibility. So Facebook and Instagram are examples of pull marketing, and whereas Google showing ads, showing your business on Google is push marketing. Running ads on TVs, hoardings, right? All of this distributing the pamphlets, going to door to door, all of this are pull marketing, correct? And push marketing example is a supermarket, a vegetable shop. You walk by yourself, correct? And now you walking by yourself is not a push marketing here. The business that made an attempt, that made an effort to be available for you is a push marketing. They have researched the market, they have understood how many residential homes are there here, right? And they have invested in the infrastructure, they have invested in softwares, people, correct inventory, everything. All of that can be considered to be as push marketing, right? Clear? So if you want to take up this career as a performance marketer, you have to be super smart. You have to be super smart, and you should know certain concepts. People spend in lakhs and crores every month. If you are dealing in crores, you should be super smart to understand if you are really benefiting anything, reaping anything out of this spend. And you should be in a position to address any kind of problem that arises. Even without the problem, you should be in a position to explain what is the outcome out of this 10 lakh spend. How will you explain? Many times you should be able to forecast, okay, so if you are investing 10 lakhs, I can get you 1 crore revenue. Will you be able to do that? How will you be doing it? Or business owner might ask you, so if I am ready to invest 10 lakhs, how many sales can you get? Let's assume I am ready to invest 1 lakh to run Google Ads for digital marketing trainings. My question is now, how many leads can you generate out of this 1 lakh? What will be your answer?
Sorry, can you?
10 lakhs.
So I am going to spend 1 lakh. I'm going to give 1 lakh to all of you, to each of you, and I want you to generate leads, spending this 1 lakh money, right? So when I'm giving 1 lakh to you, I'll be also very much keen or curious to understand how many leads you are going to get for me, correct?
Yeah.
Out of this 1 lakh spend, will you be able to tell how many leads you can get to me at this 1 lakh spend?
No.
You will be.
But
You
that
will
is
have
later
to.
on. I mean, on the,
You will have to. So if you are working in the performance marketer role, you will have to.
It will be approximate, not exact.
An estimate, a forecast, right? Not only that, you should be also able to help understand the business if they are going to get any returns or not. Okay, let's assume each lead is costing 2000 rupees. So at 1 lakh spend, how many leads can you generate? 50 leads, correct? And now your conversion rate is only 5 percentage. So how many sales will happen?
5%. 2.5.
So out of 50, at 5 percentage conversion rate, you will be able to get only 2 to 3 sales. It cannot be 2.5, right? So we'll call it as 2 to 3 sales. Even if you are making 3 sales, and if you're charging 35,000 rupees per student, 3 sales into 35,000 is
3 sales into 35,000. 3 sales into 35, so it is 90.
1 lakh 5,000.
105.
Correct.
yes.
So I spent 1 lakh and I made only 1 lakh 5,000. And top of it, you will be telling Manjunath, pay me 20,000 for supporting my efforts in running the ads. Correct? Correct. And now
Yeah.
to deal with this 50 leads, I might have also had a person spending 25,000 rupees per month. So 25,000 for digital marketer and 25,000 for sales professional. That is 50,000, correct? And already 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000, correct? And now to conduct a training for these 3 people, trainer might ask 2 lakhs, right? Or even if it is 1 lakh. So total, what is the cost incurred now? 2.5 lakhs.
Yeah.
To run one batch, you are spending 2.5 lakhs. And how much did you make? 1 lakh
5,000.
5,000. What is the loss?
1,45,000.
Correct. So now you should be smart enough to understand this math. Or even at, so what is the cost per sale here now? We spent 1 lakh to get 3 customers. So what is the cost per sale here?
35.
33,000.
1,05,000, no sir.
1 lakh 5,000 is the revenue made. And you have spent 1 lakh rupee to get this 3 sales, correct?
So
If you have spent
33,333.
33,333 rupees, 33 paisa, correct? That is what you have spent in acquiring one customer. Correct? Now, even at this price, you can make it super profitable. See, now to get one sale, you are spending 33,000 rupees. Will you be ever profitable?
No.
You can be. How?
But then your ticket size should be big.
You can be profitable. If you make ticket size big, instead of 3 sales, you might get only 2 sales now. So, if not, I'll reframe this question. How will you make this a profitable implementation now?
We have to increase percentage.
How will you?
3% to, we have to reduce it for 10% or something.
Huh.
So that's what we can.
Okay. So we will learn or discuss how it all works. Okay. Today. So this activity which we are going to do is, it's one of the most important and the basic activity that you all should be doing or have to understand. Yeah. Okay. So do you all remember the keyword research?
Yes.
So here as well, that would be the first step. You're going to do a keyword research and understand. So what is the CPC? So if you all could remember, we used to download the data search volume, and it also used to give us the CPC data. When you download the keyword data, you get to see the CPC, minimum CPC and maximum CPC to be on the first page. Right? So we are going to learn or discuss the same thing. See, now to understand how does Google Ads work or how you should be making it work, we have an example discussed. Okay. So calculating spend for 100 leads, case one. Okay, 100 cost. Okay, if not, we will go with this. CPC is cost per click, right? And if your CPC is 50 rupees, to get 1000 visits, you have to spend
50,000.
50,000 rupees. And if your conversion rate, cost per lead at 5%, okay. So we are calculating what is the cost per lead going to be, right? So cost per lead at 5%, your cost per lead at 5% conversion rate is actually at 5% conversion rate, your cost per lead is going to be 1000 rupees. How do you calculate the cost per lead? Maybe I'll whatever I have told you now, I'll just use that example. CPC, let's assume it is 70 rupees, right? And budget you are spending is 1 lakh, correct? Right? How many clicks can you get now from this 1 lakh budget? It is simply 1 lakh divided by
By
70, right? So you can get these many number of clicks, right? So if you are, see, you are getting nearly 1500 people to your website. How many can inquire with your business now?
10%.
How are you telling it's 10%?
It is just like filtering out like a funnel.
We don't know. We are going to consider multiple cases now. So, okay, I'll call this as conversion rate. So, conversion rate, this is click to lead, right? So, if I take 5%, 5% in the sense, this, how many leads I get? 1429 into 5%. So, that will be 71 leads.
715.
71 leads, correct? You got 71 leads, right? So now conversion rate, this is leads. Okay. Out of 71, how many can you convert? When you are speaking to these people, how many can you convert? So out of the 71, how many can you convert? If I am sending 20 people to you, can you at least make one to register with Kanda Digital for a digital marketing course?
Not much.
Probably yes.
Okay. So now, nearly how many?
Yeah, 10 to 15%.
10 to 15. Okay. So course price. Course price is 2 lakh rupees. Now tell me how many people can you register?
From 71, at least we expect to.
You are expecting, will that happen at 2 lakh rupees? Everybody, most of you would have backed off when I told, if I had told 2 lakh rupees the tuition fee.
Yeah, I'll be less than 5. Less than 5%.
It's quite difficult to sell when it is 2 lakhs. Maybe you might get one or may not get that also.
Correct.
So when it is at this price,
350.
no, sorry, 35,000. 35,000. So now there are chances. Okay, now let's assume conversion rate of 5%. So this is lead to sale conversion rate. Lead to sale conversion rate. So 5% of 70 is
35.
3.5. Okay. So how much revenue? So total sales. This is sales. Revenue made. Revenue. How much revenue we will be achieving now?
4 into 35,000.
1,40,000.
Hmm.
1,25,000. This is not actually 4, right? That's 3 point something, correct?
2 point something, correct.
Yeah, 3.6, and hence your revenue achieved is 1,25,000, right? Now, ROI, forget about all other kinds of expenses. Okay, digital marketer expense, that, this, everything you forget. Forget all other expense. Now, what is the ROI made or achieved? So it is simply, I'm usually I don't put so many columns. I don't put so many columns usually. I simply calculate it very short, but first time, since you are doing this for the first time, you'll have to understand how all of these are calculated.
Minus 1 lakh divided by 35.
Okay. So this is
Finally, which change directly? Which change directly?
I don't know. So now, good one. Yeah. Not this one. Equal to divided by. That is what it is, right? So margins are 25%. If you are making this kind of revenue, this is profit made, right? Yeah. Are you all getting this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's take one more case. Yeah. Any questions? Now let's take another case. So I am now thinking that if I am selling at 35,000 rupees, I am making 1,25,000 rupees. Correct? Correct? Now to increase my profit margins, what will I do is I will change this to 50,000 rupees. So do you think we will be making the same kind of profits now?
No, it will increase.
You can see that here, right? Since these are all formulas, you could see that it all has increased. But fact is, the moment you change this to 5 lakhs, sorry,
The lead
50,000,
sale,
50,000, this conversion rate might drop to 3%. So if it is dropping to 3%, you are achieving 43 leads. And out of this also, this might drop to 4%, and it is again dropping further. You are getting less than 2 sales, and if you're getting less than 2 sales, you are in negative. 14,000 rupees negative. Correct? And that is nearly 15%. Are you all getting this, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? And now you must be thinking that if you drop the price, if you drop the price below 35,000, you may not make any profits also, you must be assuming, correct? Now let's see if I'm changing this to 20,000, what will happen? Now this might change to 8% or 10%, right? And this 4% might change to this also 10%. So total number of sales made is 14 sales, and revenue achieved is 2,85,000. Correct? And profit made is 1,85,000, 185% profit margins. Are you all getting it? How dropping the price can improve your conversion rates? Correct? Are you all understanding this math?
Yes.
Right? Now let's take this case again. So if you are creating a lot of value, so let's keep the price at the same price. And how do you improve this 5% to 7% now? What should you be doing here?
Reduce it for 80,000 rupees. Course fees.
No. Without reducing the course fee, you have to include this. Huh? By clicks. What is there with clicks? 1 lakh budget. Course fee remains same. 1 lakh budget, CPC remains same. How will you bring this up? A good performance marketer now knows how to improve this.
Audience.
Okay. And now this thing obviously it depends with the salesperson who is speaking to them have to be selling it. Now tell me, how do you improve this? Huh? How do you improve this without reducing the course fee?
Without reducing the
Course fee.
course fee.
Yeah, here one more thing we forgot to add, profit made revenue sales. Even before this, I'll add one more, cost per sale. So what is the cost per sale here? Total budget divided by total number of sales.
Sale.
So the cost per sale is 28,000 rupees. Even if it is costing 28,000 rupees for you, you still made 25,000 rupees profits. Correct? So are you all observing it how cost per sale drastically improves or comes down? See, this is cost per sale here is just 7,000 rupees when you are selling it at just 20,000 rupees. So leads, uh, here also we'll add one more, cost per lead. So how do you calculate cost per lead? Cost per lead is simply total spend divided by total number of leads.
Leads.
Yeah, it is coming to around 1400 rupees. So now in this case 2300 rupees, and here it is 700 rupees, and here it is again. We haven't discussed this case still. See, now you should be in a position to explain the business owner how cost per lead will come up or come down. Correct? It's not only see this. See, for you all to make it simple or easy, I have taken course price as an example. But sometimes even when you are selling it at 20,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, your cost per lead can be still 1400 rupees or 2000 rupees. There is no guarantee that this will come down. So how course fee is playing a role in improving the conversion rates or cost per lead or cost per acquisition. Same way, there are several other things in the Google Ads that play a crucial role in improving the cost per lead or cost per sale or the conversion rates. For easy understanding, today I have taken example of course fee. So how the change of course fee has changed the cost per lead or cost per sale or the total overall revenue. Same way, there are n number of factors that will change your outcome. What are they? Anybody here?
Keywords, just now you told keyword platinum.
Keywords, then
Audience? No.
Target audience.
keywords covers everything if it's a search marketing. Amulya, you are already done with all of this, right? Google? Huh? Search pattern. Huh. Ad copy. That is ad copy.
Location? Age criteria?
Keyword covers all the targeting. If it is search marketing, gender, nothing will come into picture. Gender. People are searching. You know that people are searching and being available for the best. You are being available for right people. That's all. If it is full marketing, targeting, audience, that this everything will come into picture. Here people are coming to Google, right? I'm going to Google and searching cake. I'm going to Google and searching tattoo studio. See, if I am searching tattoo studio, it's none of your business whether I'm male or female to know whether I'm male or female. You have to be available as a business, correct? So it's an indication if I'm searching tattoo studio, I am relevant to you. There's
So
no doubt.
basically, Instagram and Facebook ads will be pull marketing then.
Yes. So how do you improve your conversion rates or cost per lead or cost per sales without dealing with the course fee? Course fee was one example. What else will play a role in improving or in building your successful campaigns? Obviously, keywords is one. What else? See, your web pages, UI, UX, marketing and
landing
selling
page, sir?
elements on the pages play a crucial role in the conversion rates. Keywords is one, and next thing is the appealing page, UI, UX of your page, marketing and selling pictures on your page, a very good product. You should also own a very good product. Very good product indicates you are best in the market as compared to that of the competition. Very good product here is not selling at a price of let's say 10,000 rupees and say I am very good product in the market. No, right? See, we are going to understand how to bring down the CPC also. Everybody must be paying 100 rupees to be on the top, and you, despite paying lower than that of your competition, you can be in the top. You can achieve the click at just 90 rupees also. 95 or 90 rupees, 5 rupees or 10 rupees lesser than that of your some money, not necessarily 5 or 10, any amount, and still you can rank in the top. And conversion rates, we have steps or measures discussing those. How do we improve and all? Did you all understand how it all works? If you have to estimate and tell to your business owner, you're not going to provide one case. You're going to tell at this moment, I'm not sure what is the conversion rate for your website or business, right? If I assume it to be as 5%, your cost per lead will be 1400. If I am assuming it to be as 3%, it's going to be 2300. If I assume it as 10%, it's going to be 700. If I assume it to be as 5%, it's going to be 1400 rupees. Obviously, your business owner will say, I want it to be at least 10%. Correct? So, you will not get to understand until unless you launch a campaign. Right? But as a digital marketer, what will be in your control is after launching a campaign, your campaign conversion rates can be one of this or any of this. Right? We just took 3 examples here. Right? So now as a digital marketer, you will have responsibility to work towards the best conversion rates. Any confusion? See, if I can bid only on the keywords which are costing me 50 rupees, your cost per lead straight away comes down. You are able to now get 100 leads at the same spend, and now your cost per lead came to 1000 rupees instead of 1400. Correct? And look at one more case. Case 5. Now cost per lead is 50%, 50 rupees, and now I'll work on the conversion rates and I'll make it as 10%. You're getting 200 leads and the cost per lead has come down to 500 rupees. Correct? And if you can improvise this also to 8%, and see now the total number of sales is, are you all understanding here with small minor differences you are able to achieve a lot? Are you all able to realize it, everyone? This looks
Yes.
so small number, right? You're changing the conversion rate from 5% to 8%, and your profit margins went to 460%. That means for every 1 lakh spend, you are making 4,60,000 rupees revenue. Correct? Revenue is
But
5,60,000.
that we need to learn
Yes.
the conversion rate in a better
Yes.
way.
This is what the key. Google Ads. See now, does Google Ads mean now knowing how to use the platform? Not really. Google Ads is knowing how to improvise these conversion rates. It's mainly about learning again marketing and selling. The platform which you are going to learn can be self-learned in just 1 hour by anybody. So learning the platforms or the tools, usage of the tools, it comprises 5 to 10 percentage of the effort. That's all, and 90 percentage of the effort is understanding how things work and making them work. So this is all makes 90 percentage of in your learning. But when it comes to implementation, 90 percentage time you will be spending on tools, right? Okay. So you all understood, correct? Any questions up to here?
No.
Right. So I was telling you, the first example, the oral example that we have taken, 1 lakh rupee, and you got only 3 sales. The cost per lead is 33,000. Correct. Correct. Now at the same cost per lead, still you can make it profitable. How is that possible? That is possible when you are doing it in the large scale. So now that example we will discuss it separately here, right? So your trainer charges, for example, marketer charges are marketer is charging. Now you all are digital marketers. You are all charging, let's say, 25,000 rupees, correct? To run the campaign, and sales person is charging 25,000 rupees, correct? Your cost per sale is 33,000 rupees, correct? And the course fee is 35,000 rupees, correct? Ad spend is okay. So what I'll do is ad spend is 1 lakh, course fee is 35,000. Okay, so here what I'll do is number of sales, this equal to this divided by this. Yeah. Okay, this is case. Are you all following, everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Are you all understanding what I'm trying to do now? I'm asking you all a question. If you are able to sell each ticket at 33,000 rupees, will you be able to make any profits? Total cost. So total cost is equal to sum of this to this, correct? Sorry, it's not. Total cost is-
33,000 into 3.
Yes. So this will be equal to sum of this, correct? Comma these two.
Plus this and plus this.
Yeah,
1
I
lakh
have missed
50.
out on one more. I will let me put trainer cost. Trainer cost to run the match. Let's put 1 lakh. Okay. Now total cost is what's the
1
total
lakh,
cost?
2
Equal
lakh, 2
to
lakh 50.
1 lakh plus 25,000 plus 25,000 plus this. So
2
total
lakh.
cost is 2 lakh 50. Right? Profit or loss. Profit or loss is this minus, sorry, yeah, total cost minus total revenue made. So total revenue made also we will calculate even before this total cost, total
99,900
revenue made, this equal to number of sales
equal to
into
33,000.
ticket price, right? Okay. So now profit or loss. Profit or loss is this equal to total revenue achieved minus total costs. So 1,44,894 rupees is loss. Correct? So up to here it is clear, right? You all understood, right?
Yes.
Now I am going to speak to you how do we make this profitable even at the same cost per sale. Cost per sale is 33,000 rupees. And how can it be still profitable? Correct? See, if you are spending only 1 lakh, it is going to be a loss for you. So hence certain things have to be always done at a large scale. Let's take an example that we are going to spend 5 lakhs. Right? So if you look at this, what is the loss incurred now?
1,24,000.
1,24,000 rupees. What is the loss incurred now?
98,948.
So if
So
I
the
am
more you
spending
spend, the less.
1 crore, so this is not 1 crore. Yeah? How much is profitable now? 36 lakhs profits. You must be wondering, right? They are selling.
3,60,000, sir, profit is.
Correct. Let me correct. Okay. So 3 lakhs 60,000 rupees. Right? See, now when you are doing things very aggressively, when you are doing it at a large scale, you are seeing straight away what benefit is. See, your certain costs would remain same. Trainer cost, whether you get 1 student or 10 student, trainer must be charging the same amount. Correct? Correct. Your
Yes.
salesperson now you might have to invest more. Salesperson now one person won't be able to handle 300 leads. You might need 4 people in that case, 1 lakh, still 2,60,000 rupees will be profits. Correct? And now when you are spending it in a large scale, obviously your conversion rates will improve. When you are spending doing things at a very large scale, everything turns out to be positive. It's not just even the conversion rates will have an improve. Because everywhere you are showing your ads. You are the only one reaching out to people everywhere, and there are chances that your conversion rates also might improve slightly. Right? So basically this might also come down. But regardless of all this, you remember, you understand, right? When you are doing it in a large scale, the loss is coming down or the profit will improve. Right? Now instead of 33,000, I'll take this example as 20,000 rupees. See, just at 5 lakh spend, you are seeing 2,25,000 rupees profits. Correct? At 1 lakh spend, it did not work for you. Do you all observe that? You are at loss of 75,000 rupees. So maybe we'll take one more example. If I'm spending 2 lakhs, you will have a 35,000 rupees loss, I guess. Correct? No loss. Break even. See, even if you are spending 2 lakhs, there is no loss. If you are spending 3 lakhs, you will be profitable. Correct? So now somebody who is always spending 1 lakh comes and complains, we are running Google Ads and it's not working for us. Correct? Isn't it? And should you be really considering such things? How do you educate them? No, it's going to work for you. This is how you will have to educate them. This is how it works. You'll have to educate them. Correct? Now look at this. This went to 73 lakhs profit. When you are spending 1 crore, if you are improvising, your cost per sale is coming down, you are making 73 lakhs profits. If you are spending every month 1 crore, you will be making 73 lakhs profits. So world is in such a market or business is such a way that either you do it in the right way or in the bigger way or don't do it. In the current competition scenario, there were days when there was no competition with 1 lakh spent, you would have probably got 10 sales and cost per sale would have been just 2000 rupees. So in this case, still you make how many sales? 10 sales, that is 3.5 lakh, correct? And profit or loss is still profit is 1 lakh. Everybody? Are you all getting it? So, but current today market is not like that. The competition is very high. You are able to make only 3 sale and cost per due to competition, the cost per sale is going to 20,000 rupees, and obviously you will make a loss of 14,000 for 1,45,000. Right? So now if you are running Google ads, run Google ads for an industry where competition is very low. Even 1 lakh can get a lot of revenue, as in this example. Clear? See, we are removing total cost incurred is 2.5 lakhs, total revenue made is 3.5 lakhs. After removing the cost of 2.5 lakhs, you still made a profit of 1 lakh. Correct? This is some formula, right? We should not be disturbing the formulas ever. What is this formula? C39. It's total spend divided by year. Okay, this is correct. You are making 50 sales. And now look at the profit or loss. You made 17 lakhs revenue. Total cost incurred is 2,50,000. Any questions? How many of you here knew already how to calculate all of these things?
I mean, this we have studied earlier also, sir. It's logical. But how to do that is what we have to learn.
Logically, we understood it.
How to break down this, improve this, correct, right?
Yes.
We'll discuss that from the upcoming classes. Okay. We'll discuss all of them in the upcoming classes. Okay. So even if you are changing this to 25,000 rupees, you will be still profitable. See, 10 lakhs profits. You understand the large scale game?
Yes.
You understand how profitable and how good it's going to be when you are dealing with a low competition business or service? You have to sell something that's not sold by anybody. That's when you will make very good profits. Right. Okay. So we'll wind it up for today and we'll connect back again on tomorrow. Yeah. So tomorrow we'll start using the platforms, or maybe even before using the platform, we'll understand how to improvise this conversion. Or if not, we'll start the campaigns and eventually as we produce, we'll learn or discuss how to improve this conversion.
Yes, sir. First we will learn like launching one campaign. With that, I think we'll be able to relate easily.